Hi, third graders. Today we're on lesson 3.5. And our learning target today is I can measure the perimeter of a figure. So let's look at perimeter. Okay, what is perimeter? Perimeter is around the outside of a figure. All right, so if I'm thinking of a room and I'm thinking of the room's perimeter, I'm thinking around the baseboards. Okay, that is the perimeter of the room. If I wanted to walk the perimeter of a fence, I would be walking around the outside of the fence or an outside around somebody's yard. So the perimeter is around the outside. So if we look, and we have a triangle here, and one side, and this is an equilateral triangle, which means all sides are equal, and we know the measurement of this side is 2. Then we know that this side is 2, and this side is 2. Okay, so then we have to add up each of the sides to get the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of this shape? 2, 4, 6. 6 inches. That's the perimeter of this triangle. Let's look here. We have a trapezoid. Okay, what is the perimeter of our shape? Well, we have to go all the way around our shape. So here, this is 5. Okay, 5 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we all the way around our shape? Is this only 10? No, we're missing this side. We have to use the information that we know. If this side is 5, this side has to be 5 because we know those two sides of a trapezoid would be equal. So here we have 10 so far, and we have 5 more. So the perimeter here would be, yes, 15 inches. Because we get 5 plus 5 equals 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you see how to find the perimeter? Think of a square. What do you know about a square? Yes, that all sides are equal. So if we're thinking of the perimeter or the outside of the square, and we have to add up all of the sides, what would be the perimeter? We'd have 3 plus 3, which would give us 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus another 3, 10, 11, 12. The perimeter of this shape would be 12 inches. Now, just to give you a heads up, when we're thinking perimeter, there's another word, area. Area is the inside. Perimeter is around the outside. So when we're trying to find a perimeter and we have this and we can't measure it, we would count the lines. Like here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The perimeter of this shape would be 14. The area, which we're going to talk about tomorrow, is the inside where we would count the squares. But today we're focusing on the perimeter, which is around the outside of a shape. So what you're going to do now is you are going to open up your measuring packet. You are going to find this page right here. And actually, we're going to do 2 pages today. I'll show you both pages. And look at what it says. It says you are going to measure. Okay, you're going to measure. And let's see what you're going to use. Centimeters. So you're going to use your centimeter template side, and you're going to measure. Now, it only has you measure this side and this side. Why? Are we only going to add up 2 sides? No. It's because this side is the same as this side. So you'll have to add it 2 times, like they did here. They had to add 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4, because this side was 3, this side was 3. So when you measure, you have to measure it 2 times, okay? So you measure once, but you'll add it 2 times. My mistake there, all right? So you are going to measure in centimeters on this page because you are finding the perimeter around the outside of the shape. Then you have one more page to do. And you're going to do the same thing here, and you're just going to be using centimeters again, and you are going to find the perimeter of these different shapes. All right? So remember, learning target is I can measure the perimeter of a figure. You can figure out the perimeter of a shape. Remember, the perimeter is around the outside of a shape. Perimeter is the outside of a shape. Repeat that to yourself, and then figure out the perimeter, and you are on target.